Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Lian SL120 Uni fan. Lian has taken their already impressive SL120 fan and refined it, making it even better. The most notable improvement is the daisy chain design, which now allows you to connect two clusters of fans together. This simplifies cable management and makes for a cleaner build. The SL120 boasts a slightly thicker frame at 28 millimeters, which translates to a 10% increase in airflow compared to the original V1. This is a welcome improvement for those looking to maximize cooling performance. Lian has also included removable interlocking keys, which provide better clearance when mounting the fans on radiators. This is a thoughtful addition that makes installation easier and more versatile. Another great feature is the start-stop fan RPM support. This allows the fans to completely stop spinning at low temperatures, resulting in a quieter environment when your system isn't under heavy load. The side lighting has also been refined, offering a smoother and more aesthetically pleasing look. The new Uni Hub simplifies cable management even further. With the L-Connect 3 software, you only need one cable per fan cluster to control the lighting effects. This makes it easy to customize the look of your system and keep your cables organized. The Lian SL120 Uni fan is a fantastic option for anyone looking for high-performance, aesthetically pleasing, and easy-to-install case fans. The improvements over the original SL120 are significant and make this a worthwhile upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.